Alright, folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Bucks RCs. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video, guys. Today I received my brass 8mm hexes for my Red Cat Gen 7 Sport, so that high steering knuckle won't touch my tires anymore. So this is where I got them from. This is Racing Clubs Scale Racing Clubs Scale Designed, and it says Crawler Central 8mm brass extended well hex set. You get 4 in a pack. Well, it says for the Element Enduro, but I just made a little test run in my foreign stuff, and they work fine. So it comes with the wheel hexes, the hex pinion, and the grub screw. And the only thing you have to do, make sure when you take the tire off the Gen 7 Sport, now make sure you take the hex, take the screwdriver and pop the hex out, because these right here, they come with 4, so you don't need it. What you do, you just put the pin in, then you put the wheel hex on it, and put a little put a little bit of Loctite on the grub screw so it won't come off. And make sure you pop your hex out, because you don't need these no more in the hex pin. They are 8mm brass hexes, and it does give enough room on the outside to tighten your wheel up, or to tighten the nut down. So yeah, a very easy installation, and probably took me about, I don't know, 5 minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes for all 4 wheels. And I did do a little test run over there on the floor, and they work good. See, there it is. And it's raining today, so I don't know if I really get to test it out or not. But I think I'll just wait until the Loctite dries, and maybe get out tomorrow and try it and see how it does. But to me, I believe it's going to do all right. Oops, watch me. Yep, I believe it's going to do all right. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Then right beside the subscribe button, there's that notification bell. You tap it, then tap it to all, so you don't miss out on any of my videos from me. And you will be the first to get notified first to watch my videos when I upload them on YouTube. And so you can be the first to watch my videos. Alright. Well, I hope the weather's fine wherever everybody's at today. The weather down here, it's It's kind of raining and stuff, so I probably ain't gonna get out and do nothing today. So whatever you're all doing, either bashing, rock crawling, speed runs, playing with your boats, flying your helicopters or your airplanes, I don't know, just get out there and rip something up. Well, stay safe, and I will see you soon on the next video. Oh yeah, before I go, well, there's that. Well, you can't really tell in the video, but the high steering knuckle, they do not rub on the tires anymore. Thank God. See, I know it's a little bit dark in there, but the tire does not rub on it anymore. There we go. Alright, well, I'm going to get off here. I just thought I'd pop on here for a minute and post this video. Alright, I'm going to shut up rambling now. Y'all have a good day.